What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video we're just gonna make a quick analysis and who knows if we're gonna manage to grab a trade today. So let's just see real quick what happened in the London session. Today is Monday, very beautiful. They took this low and obviously after that they took this high and then they took this low, yeah, obviously with this move, and now they took this high. So what I'm gonna expect right now to take this low, obviously. We will see if that will gonna happen, but that's my plan, to trade against, you know, a lot of traders, because that's what they think. They think in the market there's only downtrends, but price actually looking to take out the people from the market and to grab their money, yeah. And obviously what I'm gonna expect right now is very simple, guys. If the price action gets here, because it's gonna break those lows, it's gonna break maybe this low, yeah, and if it gets to the point then the price action gets here, am I gonna sell it? And I'm gonna target, guess which low? This low I'm gonna target. So we'll see how everything was gonna end up, and we will wait for the price action to develop itself, and I will keep you guys posted with if I'm managing to take a trade or not. Guys, real quick, yeah, real quick, we do have our trade activated. So right here we will see how this beautiful trade will gonna play it out. If it's gonna be a lose, then it is what it is, but I do hope right now, because I did enter here, I put it like that, the stop loss, something like that, and I think this is a little bit above, something like that. Something like that it should be. So we will see how this price action will develop itself, and we will go from there. This price action could beautifully right now, because it does have this rejection, so most likely the price action could come up a little bit, yeah. It's going to draw down, but then it can break, retest, and take this beautiful low. If it's gonna move up and hit my stop loss, I'm gonna re-enter right here, yeah, and I'm gonna put the stop loss above this high, and because we already took this high off, so right now I'm expecting to be taking a low. So if this price action will gonna move up, then it is what it is. I'm gonna have a losing day and we're gonna move on. It's very simple, very simple concept, guys, but I will keep you guys tuned, posted with the results and all this good stuff. Yeah, I do hope you enjoy, and if you do really enjoy this type of videos, how do I trade live, feel free to like, to comment if you do have any questions, and enjoy this video. Yeah, so the way how we're seeing the price action very beautifully pulled back to our EMAs, because here we can see it went beneath the EMAs. So right now the price action just retraced back to the EMAs. We will see if it's gonna take me off this this trade. If it's gonna take me off this trade, then most likely I'm gonna reopen the trade right here once I get caught, so by my stop loss, and we will see. I still got feeling like today's Monday, so I don't know. I just think like the price action should go down a little bit, but we will see how everything was gonna end up. For right now, most likely it's gonna take me off, but man, it is what it is. I will keep you guys posted. Guys, I don't get it what's going on with this trade, but it's just getting, man, too long. Right now we kind of had like the pullback. It will not stop me out by stop loss, but it wouldn't be a big deal because I would reopen. Right now we are back to break even. I'm still aiming for this low, guys. I'm still aiming for this low, so we will see how everything was gonna end up. For now, we just have to set and forget about this trade, because there's nothing else what we can do about it. Everything is kind of lined up perfectly what me personally I was expecting. So right now is just the time I executed, and it's just the time to wait. It's just the time to wait, guys. There's nothing else what we can do about it. don't know why the commission is $22. I don't know, it's just too crazy. It's just too crazy. It's too much, man. And look at the spread, it's so wide. And that's FTMO. That's my FTMO challenge. This is a demo account, but it's like my FTMO challenge. So we will see. We still got like some 4% to lose, but man, it is what it is. It is what it is. Stay tuned, brothers. Guys, I'm glad to see that we are moving good, because I was expecting after this push the price action to pull back a little bit and move to the downside, but the price action is just too bullish, and yeah, that's kind of how everything it works. This is just trading, man. Like, I really would like to share something else, but it's nothing else that we can share about it. Let's just see. Okay, let me just take the price action. Guys, you can congratulate me, and we did it live once again, and sometime I winning, sometime I losing, but that's the reality of trading. And everything what I'm gonna share in this channel is nothing else apart from be honest with you guys, because it's not that many traders in this industry who's gonna share literally the analysis when I enter, when I exit, how I exit, how much I made. I'm not even hiding that I'm trading right now on demo buy. Is my FTMO challenge, basically is my real FTMO challenge, and right now I'm in drawdown, but that's not because of this trading strategy. It's because one of my psychology mistake that I did it before. And to understand, I start this FTMO challenge last year, I mean the 2024, I think in February or something like that. So I'm like more than half a year I'm sitting in this FTMO challenge and I'm trying to pass it. But man, it is what it is. It happened what I was expecting, because usually this is my beautiful setup when the price action beautifully and nicely. Watch how this represents, yeah. It's been a push. They took this high, yeah, and now they nicely and beautifully, smoothly went down. So people can start buying. They bought here, they bought here, they bought here, and to every single buyer they providing a small profit. And at the end, look at this, smashed to the downside and took everybody up. Everybody took by stop loss, but I took a take profit, because right now, yeah, most likely, what do you think the price action was gonna do? Exactly, guys, it's gonna come. Let me just move to the 5 minutes. What do you think right now the price action was gonna do? So look to this. That's why I said what they did. They took this high, correct? Yeah. And then what they do? They took this low, and after that they took what? They took this high, and after this they took what? This low, and right now they took this high. And if you manage to listen to everything what I said, and I said what the next target most likely is going to be this low, and right now the price action rejects because they took everybody from here. What was their next target? It might gonna be this one, or maybe even this one. Who knows? I don't know. But maybe the price action could go down. That's why I'm saying, guys, this trading is just 50-50. It's nothing else what we can do about it. It's just 50-50. This trade literally was about to take me off by stop loss, but it didn't, and just moved straight to the profit. And there's nothing else what I could do about it. If it would stop me out, I would re-enter right here, put my stop loss above this, and then move to the downside, because that's my next target. They took this off. Right now my target is gonna be this one. If the price action was gonna go even lower, then it is what it is. It's nothing else what we can do about it. But what I'm trying to tell you guys is just don't complicate the trading too much, because complicated trading is gonna mess you psychology even more, so you just won't be happy about it. But right now you see this aggression selling. Most likely the price action could literally come here, because right now think about it, what the price action did. The price action came down, retest. This is beautiful, like sell scenario. Think about it, this is a beautiful sell scenario. And what's gonna be the point of interest for the traders? Here is gonna see the, how is it called, here is gonna see the supply and demand traders right here, because here is a order block very beautifully, yeah. Then here was gonna be, here is gonna be all these beautiful ICT traders, yeah. And then here is gonna be the beautiful break and retest traders, yeah. And everybody, think about it, all the strategy made for this sort of area to be a point of interest to get sells. So what do you think is gonna be the chance the price action just won't move up and take all those traders? That's what the price action is gonna do. They just gonna, sorry, the price action just gonna, if he shows you evidence that he wants to move up, you know, nicely, beautifully, with a small pullback, then small rejection for the breakout or for the ICT, then smashing them, then getting into this supply and demand traders, also giving them like some sort of profits, and then smashing everybody. And that's, if you're paying attention, yeah, to what I showed you, like on this particularly how this price action moved, yeah, it's the same thing right here. The price action, they just keep going like and taking highs and low every single day. We just have to get into the right one when the price action was gonna move. That's the only uncertainty that we have to deal with, because it won't be that low that is gonna take it right now, because the price action could literally take even this more high and then smash it to the downside. It could do that, but that's like something what we cannot predict. I predicted the move, yeah, I predicted with all those moves, yeah, and that's logic, because if the price action just keep taking highs and low, most likely they took this high, then most likely obviously they were gonna take this low, and that's like New York session. It's very simple. It's very simple, and that's why I try to explain you guys every single time. If you do like my video, guys, feel free to subscribe, like it, comment if you do have any questions, and see you on my next one. Peace and love, guys. I'm out.